welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making a rabbit, and this is like a carrot, but there's different colors of carrot, and I'm going to make one in the video, and I'm going to show you how to make this rabbit with some accessories. So let's get started. So guys, these are the pieces of the like the eyes, the ear, and the paw. So you're going to cut all of these pieces out. Guys, I cut out all the pieces and I have the two eyes, but for the ear and the paw, we're going to have to trace out both of them. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So guys, now I traced the paw and the ear. We're just going to cut it out just like we did before. So guys, now we have the ears, the paws, and the eye. So guys, now we're going to need an orange paper for the carrot and a plate. You don't need this size. You could have it any small size or a big size. I'm just using a small plate, and then we're just going to make a big circle with it. We have our circle, and now we just have to cut it out. Now we're going to fold the paper in half. Once we fold it in half, it will be something like this, and it will like rock. Now we're going to get a white paper and a smaller circle, and then we're going to trace it out. So I have my circle, and now I'm going to cut it out. So guys, now we're going to draw a line a little bit less than a half, and then we're going to glue the ears on. So now we have the ears on, we are going to make the eyes now. Now we're going to need 2 black markers and a black pen. Now we're just going to draw the eyes on. So guys, now I have the eyes ready. I'm just going to glue it on. Now I'm just going to draw the inside of the rabbit's ears. And I'm also going to draw the pink nose. So guys, now I'm going to glue the rabbit to the carrot. Now I'm also going to glue the paws on. Now I just have a few leaves. I'm just going to glue it on the side of the rabbit. Now you're just going to draw some lines going across the carrot. So guys, these are how my rabbits turned out in the end, and they look so cute. Bye, I hope you enjoyed.